everyone, welcome back to Tech Tip Tuesday, where we share quick tips to make your digital life easier. I'm Amiel, and today I've got a super handy tip for you. How to take a full page screenshot of any website. No scrolling, no stitching, just one clean image. Full page screenshots are great because sometimes you want to save or share the entire content of a page, whether it's for reference, documentation, or just keeping a record of something online. Instead of taking multiple screenshots and piecing them together, you can do it all in one go, and it's really easy. All you need is a Google Chrome or any Chromium-based browser like Edge or Brave. For Windows users, open the web page you want to capture. Press Ctrl-Shift-I to open Developer Tools. Then press Ctrl-Shift-P and type Capture Full-Size Screenshot and hit Enter. For Mac users, open the web page, then press Command-Option-I to open Developer Tools. Then press Command-Shift-P and type Capture Full-Size Screenshot and hit Enter. And that's it. Your full-page screenshot will save automatically. A little tip. It helps to name your screenshots clearly or organize them in a folder so you can find them easily later. Especially if you do this often. This trick is perfect for saving web pages, keeping a record of online content, or sharing what you see with others, all in one clean image. Give it a try and we'll see you next Tuesday for another tech tip. Thanks for watching!